Hey guys, it's another day to claim your daily combo on Hamster Kombat, and today I'll be showing you what the lucky cards are. So the lucky cards are License UAE, Hamster Daily, and Long Squeeze. Now, today's daily combo for me is a perfect example of all I've been explaining about ensuring you don't spend more than you're making, so you don't end up being penny wise pound foolish. So if you don't do your math, you may end up still losing out. For example, to earn all the cards today for my daily combo, I'll be spending 5,061,000 coins. Okay, so that is even more than I'll be making from the daily combo. So in essence, I'll be losing 61,000 coins. But there is a twist to it. Remember, I also mentioned that you should check if you're getting good deals. Considering the fact that I'll be losing 61,000 coins after participating in the daily combo, I decided to check out what the increase in my profit per hour would be, and I discovered that my profit per hour will be increasing by 6,200. So that is a pretty good deal for spending 61,000 coins. So that means I can go ahead with the daily combo. So watch, my profit per hour here is 646,000. So the first card I'll be upgrading is License UAE, and that's under the legal tab. So tap on legal and scroll till you find License UAE. So this is License UAE. As you can see here, it cost me a whopping 3.62 million coins to upgrade, and you can see that my profit per hour will increase by 1.54k. If this were not to be for a daily combo, it would have been a very bad deal. But since I've done my math and I've seen that I'll be spending only 61,000 coins and getting an extra 6,200, I go ahead. So I tap on go ahead. Okay, I've gotten the first card. The second card I'll be upgrading will be Long Squeeze. So that's on the specials tab. Tap on specials and I look for Long Squeeze. As you can see, it will cost me a whopping 1.28 million to upgrade this card. If it were not for this combo, this would have been a very bad deal. So I tap on go ahead. You can see I'll be getting an extra 4.2k increase. The last one is the Hamster Daily, which is still under the specials tab, but it's at the top. So Hamster Daily show. This one cost about 161,000 for me. So I tap on it and I upgrade. So that's it. I've completed the daily combo for today. I spent 5,061,000 coins and got 5 million coins. But it was a very good deal for me in the end because I only spent 61,000 coins to increase my profit per hour by 6,200. So guys, this is how to do your math to ensure you're not wasting your coins on the daily combo. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Hamster Kombat updates, daily combo cards, crypto airdrops, tips, tutorials, alphas, and earning opportunities. So keep claiming your Hamster Kombat coin daily. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.